How to create a 3D text effect in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can create a 3D text effect in PowerPoint. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So head over to the slide where you have the text where you want to add the 3D text effect. So for example, I have this text right here. Now to add 3D effects, you have to head towards the text, right click on it. From this menu box, you have to go to the Format C. Now if you navigate to your right hand side, there is this Format C box. So from here you have to edit some settings in order to have the 3D effects. Here, head towards this middle icon right here. Now here, head towards the 3D rotation. So according to your preferences, you can change the settings right here. So for now, I will just go with 325 under the X rotation, and under Y rotation, I will just go with 30, and under Z rotation, let's go with 2.9. So here, according to your preferences, you can change along the way you want your text to be. So for now, we will just keep these settings. Now once you're done with this, head towards the text options and click on it. From here, go to the second icon. After that, you have to click on 3D format. Here, click on depth and now select your background color that you want to set in your text to apply the 3D effect. So let's select this color right here. As you can see now, there is this 3D effect has been applied to your text. If you want to increase its depth, head towards the width. Head towards the size right here, and here you can increase the size. Keep on increasing, and once you have your preferred length, you can stop it. So as you can see, the 3D effect has been added into this text. So in this way, you can add 3D effects in your text in your presentation in PowerPoint. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.